We have the Binicare cordless portable water flosser that's going to allow you to floss your teeth with fine jets of water, which is actually really cool. It contains a 2500 milliamp hour battery that takes roughly 3 to 6 hours to fully charge, and you're able to use it for up to 30 days of cleaning your mouth. It does have an IPX7 watertight design, so that way you're allowed to multitask and use it while you're taking a shower or a bath without worrying about breaking it. It has 5 different pressure modes between 30 and 130 psi, and it can actually output 1200 pulses a minute. Pretty crazy. You can't do that manually. And not only is it a water flosser, but it actually comes with 4 different tips so you can clean your mouth completely. We have a standard jet tip for general use, mainly to rinse between your teeth. We have a periodontal tip, mainly used to clean the contact area between your teeth and gum line and also massage your gums. We have an orthodontic tip, which is mainly used to rinse hard to reach areas around your braces, crowns, bridges, and implants. And then we even have a tongue cleaning tip so you can clean your tongue, because that way you're gonna have some really fresh breath. And also, speaking of tongues and fresh breath, a little bit of a life hack here. Instead of filling this up with water, you can actually fill it up with mouthwash, so that way you're freshening your breath while you're cleaning your teeth. Smart. And just like electric toothbrushes, this actually has a 2-minute timer, so it actually stops after 2 minutes of cleaning, so you know when you're done. We have a very nice looking box. I happen to have the purple edition right here. It comes in a variety of colors. But inside the box I have a user manual, a USB charging cable, as well as all the different tips so you can fully clean your mouth. And then we have the actual irrigator itself, and it has a very nice design, along with some nice bubbles for grip on the back. Ooh, feels very, oh nice. Feels very good in the hands. Down on the bottom, we're looking at a 300 milliliter, 10 ounce, large capacity, detachable reservoir, so you can fill it up with water or mouthwash. Inside of that, we actually have the suction tube with a gravity ball down at the bottom, so that way to keep the tube all the way down at the bottom, sucking up all the liquid from the inside, because there's nothing worse than having some liquid left on the bottom that you can't access. This will solve that problem. Over on the back of it is where you can actually fill it up with water as well if you don't want to remove the whole thing. Over here on the front, we have the power button along with the mode button, which will allow you to switch between the 5 intensities. And then down at the bottom, we have a battery indicator light. Flipping it over to the back, we have the release button to release the reservoir. Very easy. And then we have this nice grippy design, along with the rubber covering up the charge port at the top. Up here at the top, we actually have the release button to release whatever jet head you actually have installed. And installing those is actually very simple. You just take it, stick it in, it locks into place, and it's not going to go anywhere. If you want to remove it, you hold in this button, and it pops right out. Very easy. Now you can stick in a different one and clean your tongue. And it even has a 360-degree rotating head right here, so you can actually angle it exactly how you need it to reach different areas of your mouth. So now, without further ado, I'm going to put on a tip here. I'm going to head into the bathroom and put this thing to the test, cleaning out my amazing teeth.